Welcome to the Financial Advocacy Podcast. I'm your host, David Kinder, the tax-exempt wealth guy, registered financial consultant, and chartered life underwriter, and my co-hosts, Michael Moffat and Kurt Gibbs. This is a disclosure where we say you can't hold us accountable for any actions you take on your own, just like all financial entertainment shows. We are not providing legal, tax, or securities investment advice of any kind. And here's what's interesting about this topic is that there are lots of workshops that go on all across the country at all the times, especially at libraries, and where usually they're advertised on Facebook or through postcard marketing, through neighborhood Facebook and Instagram and all kinds of things like that. And this is where people can get a chance to make better decisions about their retirement. And especially if they're, just a year or two before retirement, or maybe they're planning retirement right now. They're like, okay, now we need a plan. It's usually the way it ends up working out. It's usually very procrastinated planning. It's an interesting thing to see. I mean, one of the reasons why I changed some things around for my career years ago is because I wanted to get to people before they needed to make these decisions. I want to get that part out of the way. Social Security is not like a giveaway entitlement. It is a fundamental bedrock to retirement planning. And why do I say that? Because we all contributed into it, at least if you're in those programs, right? Basically, if you work in the private sector, you've contributed to Social Security. That's what that FICA thing is on your pay stub. By the way, there's always a lot of concerns. Hello, Alonzo. Salute to you. There's always the concern that will Social Security really be there? Here's my answer to that question. Social Security will always be there in one form or another. That's the interesting thing, because when I have to say it like that, I'm like, well, what does that mean? Well, here's the thing about Social Security. It's age-based. It's an age-banded program. So when it's age-banded, that means if you want to make it more solvent, all you have to do is increase the age ranges. I'm doing this for you, but I appreciate you trying it again. But the idea is that we need to bring a sense of calm, a sense of rationality to it. And the rationality is the political economic part. No one's going to vote to have their Social Security benefits reduced. So let's get into some of the technical aspects, or slightly technical anyway. So there's a concept and a term in Social Security. It's called full retirement age, FRA. And if you don't know everything about government programs, they have all kinds of acronyms for everything. It drives me nuts. But let's see if we could get the PIA to work with the FRA so we can maximize our. I promise I won't do that anymore. Okay, so what is FRA? FRA is full retirement age. And to keep this, thanks, Robert, knowingly anyway. Full retirement age is essential. I'm going to keep this very, it's based on your birth date. And for everything we're going to talk about today, we're just going to assume age 67. There are some years, I don't remember what the years are, but you'll note on your own Social Security statement where the age brackets are different. In fact, it goes by like age 66 in 2 months, age 66 in 4 months. It's stupid, but it is what it is. But we have to know what our full retirement age is.